On February and mid-February, this female mastiff was in a starving condition and arrived at our house. We nursed her back to health, and on March 19th she gave birth to a litter of 13 puppies. They're now about 5 weeks old, and I'm getting ready to show you what Ruth calls a herd of puppies. Watch this. And here they come. I don't think that's all of them. That might be all of them. Let's see this. Coco, Little Spot, Bruiser, Mama Junior, Belly Dot, Brownie White Nose, Brownie Boy, Runt, Belly Dot, Petey Girl. That's Hippie over there. That's Hippie. And there's Mama. And that's what you call it, being mobbed. So this is the crew. Isn't that funny?